באור ובגשם, באור ובגשם, נלך גשם. היפה באמת היא תמיד ביישנית, נלך על כן עם ביתי הצוחקת. שני לה 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 אליך כן ביתי הצוחקת. איזה יופי. We're doing a Chanuka walk in the rain. So nice. שדרה יפה. כיף לך שיבה? קצת. הלכנו לווטרינר בשדרה. ועכשיו אנחנו הולכות בשדרה. נכון מאמה? נראה. Chanuka walk. Oh, it's so cool. I think this is the nicest decorations I've ever seen in Israel, ever, for Chanuka. They really, whoever designed the decorations deserves praise. It's really nice. You know, this time of the year, it's dark, and people like to celebrate. You know, the pagans have their Christmas, and we have our Chanuka. Right, Shiva? Yeah. So, we have a poem by Natan Alterman about walking in the, you know, he lived in, not in this avenue. What is the translation of Shdera to English? Avenue? So he lived in a similar avenue, parallel to this one called Nordau. You can see where he lived and wrote beautiful poems about Tel Aviv. He's one of our best poets. His daughter is also an amazing poet, Tirza Atar. And his grandson, you could see a photo of me with him, celebrating 100 years to his birth of Natan Alterman. He's an amazing musician. Natan Slow, an amazing human being. Very humble, very talented. Really does his grandfather and mother, their late grandfather and mother, credit. So here walking. Here we have very sad monument. I remember I had a child the same age. There were mothers sitting in a coffee shop here. Yael, Michal, Anat. They were a 6-month-old baby. Oh my God. And the mother. And please don't write me about other people's losses, because a loss is a loss. And let me read about it for you. So this was, see if you can read about it. This was in Purim. 21st of March, 1997. Oh yeah, that's when my daughter was also around that. She was a baby. My daughter was, let's see, she was about the same age, I must say. Oh my gosh, she was the same age, and there was a terrible terrorist attack, and these 3 women and the baby were killed. Or was the baby killed? I'm not sure. Wait. Chetzer Achorit. I don't know why it's not in English. A social worker, 32 years old. Yael. And Anat. Also young, 30, and another woman. She is Naomi. Michal. Yael, Michal, and Anat. I think the baby wasn't killed. The mother protected her with her body, but it was 3 young women were killed sitting here, just here. This was like Purim holiday, and I had a daughter the same age, except I wasn't living here then. Very, very tragic tale of terrorism. What did they achieve? What did the terrorists actually hope to achieve by killing people, especially women and children? What do they hope to achieve? Do they achieve a state where they can do more terror on their own people also? I don't know. Oppa, he has a raincoat. There's a dog with a raincoat. Maybe we'll get you a raincoat tomorrow. We'll see. And let's look at the... Come, let's go look at the... Let's go look at the beautiful sight. Just a minute. Let me skip those people. סליחה, אפשר לעקוף? אני מצלמת. Look at this. Oppa, look at the dog in the raincoat. And here's a dog without a raincoat. I'll get you a raincoat maybe. Look at the dog, he's so happy to have a raincoat. Look at this, this is beautiful. So, woo, this is so beautiful. I am just amazed at the decorations for Chanuka this year. So Chanuka is going to start next week on a Sunday. And I guess they're going to light a candle every... Wow. Woo! Isn't this nice, Shiva? Are you enjoying your walk? Wow, איזה יופי. Look at that. Dreidel, dreidel, dreidel. Beautiful lights for Chanuka. How much? And let's end this beautiful walk with Shiva Ladiva. I'm wishing you a happy Chanuka.